All right, today I'll have the Dyson Outsized motor head that I'm going to be unboxing right here. This is the stick vacuum made by Dyson. It's the outsized version of it, and it says that it contains full-size bin, 150% bigger than the alternative. Full-size cleaner head is 25% bigger, which means it covers a larger space, which could mean a reduced time vacuuming because it's using the vacuum for a wider space. It has a 60-minute lithium-ion battery, up to 60 minutes of cordless fade-free power. It has Dyson Hyper Dymium motor, whatever that means, generates powerful cordless suction, intelligently reports in real time, and a digital motor bar XL cleaner head. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'm just gonna go ahead, pull this out right here. This is what it looks like right here. We're gonna get in this and I'm gonna set this up, show you how to use that. Excuse me. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this out. Alright, so this is part one of the motor head, or the outsized motor head vacuum. And some more. There's something else down in there. Let me... empty box, just a filler space. They tricked me out with this. Yeah, that was just filler space. Joke's on me. All right, so inside you have 2 pamphlets of reading material. I'll save this for the restroom when after I eat a bean burrito or something. Important, before you operate your Dyson, you should definitely read the instruction manuals and abide by it, and not the instructions of this video. I'm gonna go ahead and pull some of these things out. So right here, you have connection tube right here. And then here are some attachments. This is one attachment, plug in right there. And here, right here, is the brush. You can use that for a car. Pull that, put it back in. Pretty cool. Put that aside. And then this is the motor head. There's a little power in it, so we can demonstrate it a little bit once it gets starting for the setup. So a lot of this other material we're gonna put down yonder. So you have a motor head, you have some attachments we're gonna be looking at materially. This right here is instructions for mounting it on a wall. If you so want to mount it on the wall, here are the brackets for hanging it up. I'm not going to do this part right here, but I will take a look at it. Mainly want to stay focused on the vacuum cleaner itself. All right, so no more material in there. Right here, what is this? Feels like Christmas. So this right here is the miniature motor head right here. The smaller one. It's cotton, not cotton, but cardboard in there. Go ahead and make sure to take that out. Toss that shit. And go ahead and place that down here. So we have a lot of packaging right here, which I will recycle. Right now I'm opening up presents like it's Christmas. So here is the charging cable. It looks like a charging cable with the adapter. Just gonna open this up right here. Place this side right here. So that's that. And then the last, I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in eventually. This right here is the outsized motor head right here. That's the one you could probably use for a car or something, and this is the outsized motor head. And look, there is this knob right here. I believe this assists with picking up hair when you pull it backwards. So if you have this plus on, it actually pulls back the fibers, perhaps hair. I believe. I'll have to find that out later. And to clean out the brush, just simply twist that, and the brush can come out if you need cleaning. Always return it and snap it back into place, just like that. So you have that. And here is the vacuum itself. When you're emptying it, push that forward like that, dump it down, close it, put it back into place. This right here is the filter at the top. I believe you twist it, filter comes off, clean out the filter. It looks like you can run it down water and clean the filter. And then you place it, twist it back on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some attachments. I'm gonna go ahead and take this. This is for the long. Go ahead, snap this into place like that. Or if you're just using this, put this attachment on if you want to. So you have that. You could do a little vacuuming like that. Put this one on here. Snap it into place. Do some vacuuming. And to take it off, you just have to go ahead and press this button right here, and it comes off. Here is the smaller attachment, smaller brush. Snaps into place. Brush like that. Push that button, take it off. Now I'm gonna put the longer one on. And go ahead, snap that into place. See how that? To take it off, I'm gonna demonstrate it again. Push that. Snap it in. So it's easy as 1, 2, snap, crackle, pop. So you have that into place. You wanna put this one on. I'm gonna go ahead, line that up, snap it in. I like how it swivels like this. Okay, we'll put it back like that. So now I have this completed. When you want to charge it, what is this? Oh, this is the battery right here. It comes off, completely off. You can actually have a spare battery and charge this. You don't need to take the entire vacuum. Plug this. You can just go ahead and take this, plug that in. That's pretty neat. You don't have to take the whole vacuum. Take this back and charge it just like that. It's a pretty cool feature. Gonna go ahead, do that. Put the clip back into action. This right here, I'm not gonna even explain. It pretty much hangs this, if you wanna hang this on the hook somewhere. Clicks into place. I'm not gonna deal with that. But it's set. Now, if you look at here, this is the initial setup, and it's saying things like select the language. So it's not touch screen. So English. So in order to scroll, you just tap it, and it scrolls. And you can add. There's more languages than just English and Spanish. You can go through here. You can hold the button right here, and it will go to view more languages. But we're not going to do that. We're going to stick to English, and I'm going to press and hold this one to go to English as my selection. So I'm going to press and hold it. Oh, it gives me 3 seconds. Press and hold it. 3, 2, 1, and English is set. Okay. Fully charged before use. Okay. Fully charge this before use, as it says. Okay. But I'm going to go through the instructions right here. The medium power, okay, or it says medium, so that means that's indicative of where the battery at, excuse me. So it's at medium right here for the battery. You have medium and you have full over here and you have low, right? And I was wrong. It actually, this right here is for the battery level for each one of the settings. It shows you how much battery you have left for each one of the settings. And see, it shows you have much battery left for the economy. This mode right here is the most economical feature right here. Doesn't use a lot of power. It's eco. Switch to that. That's medium power. And then you can press it again and it switches to boost. So once you get to one, oh, didn't mean to go that. Oh, exit menu. We'll go through that in a second. 3, 2, 1. Boop. All right, so now it's on boost. So that's the most amount of power right there, really fast. And it shows you how much power, how much time is left of vacuuming before it goes dead. Okay, so we can go, it says 3 minutes auto. Automatically adjust the power and it shows you how much time is left. And then eco shows me that I have 27 minutes left of vacuuming, like that. Okay, fully charged before first use. Eco, auto, and boost. Three different settings: auto, eco, and boost. All right, so I'm going to go to the other settings. So I'm going to press and hold this. Now I went to language. If I want to change the language, I just go here, press and hold this down, and then I can go back to the language and change it to a different language if I want to. But I'm gonna go back. It goes through all of these right here. How to change the language. Okay. It's already selected to English, but if I wanted to change it to something like Spanish, I'll go to whatever it is, press and hold it down for 3 seconds. But if you don't hold it down for 3 seconds, it won't switch the language. It'll just go back to what you had before. I'm gonna go through this, and it says exit. I'm gonna go ahead and press exit. 3, 2, 1, action. Now I want to go from the next to the next selection, so I'll just go ahead and tap this. Alerts, you can have alerts on. Press and hold it down. Your motor will pulse 3 times when there's an on-screen alert. Okay, turn it on. I can keep it on. I'm going to keep it there, but I can turn it off if I'd like to. And I'm going to exit by pressing and holding it for exit, and bada boom. Next option is exit menu. Exit the menu, vacuuming. So now I'm just going to go ahead and charge this. I can just charge it by finding the plug it in, just letting it charge. Currently it is at 35%. I'm supposed to charge it to the full before I start vacuuming, right there. It's good that it has an indicator on the back that lets you see where it's at. And that is how you use this. See, it's 35. And in order to actually vacuum, you have to press the trigger, make sure it's unplugged, and you can vacuum like that. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in and letting it charge. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.